Class 7 SOF IMO Chapter 1 Integers. Mathematical reasoning question number 1. Using the given relation, answer the following question. Degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. If degree Celsius is equal to minus 35, then find degree Fahrenheit. First, let us substitute the value of degree Celsius into the equation. Since we have 5 by 9 on the other side, let us move it to the left side. When we move it to the left side, it becomes division. Solving this, we will get minus 63 is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Now simplifying this equation by taking minus 30 to the other side and making it plus 32, we can find the value of Fahrenheit, that is minus 31. That is the B option. Here's a quick tip. When solving sums with plus and minus, do not mix up the signs. Carry them exactly as they are to the next step. One wrong minus can flip your whole answer. Mathematical reasoning question number 2. Using the given relation, answer the following questions. If degree Fahrenheit is equal to 104, then find degree Celsius. First, let us substitute the value of degree Fahrenheit into this equation. Then simplifying the bracket 104 minus 32, we will get degree Celsius is equal to 72 into 5 by 9. Then simplifying, we will get degree Celsius is equal to 40. Mathematical reasoning question number 3. Evaluate this given equation. In order to do this sum, we have to use the BODMAS rule. So according to the BODMAS, we have to solve the inner brackets first. So if we do that, we'll get minus 16 divided by minus 13 minus 3 by minus 60 divided by minus 60. Simplifying minus 13 and minus 3, we'll get minus 16 divided by minus 16 by minus 60 divided by minus 60. Or we can write this as fraction upon a fraction, and simplifying this equation, we'll get answer as 1. Here's a quick tip. While solving using BODMAS rule, always be cautious to solve the brackets first. They come at the top of the priority list. Mathematical reasoning question number 4. Find P and Q. First one. The sum of two integers is 71. If one of them is minus 101, then the other integer is P. Given minus 101 plus P is equal to 71. If we take minus 101 to other side, it will become plus 101. So 71 plus 101 is equal to P, that is 172. Second one, the product of an integer and Q is 0. Let an integer be A. A into Q is equal to 0. The product of two numbers can be 0 when any one of the number is 0 or both the numbers are 0. That's just how multiplication with 0 works. We don't know about the other value, so we can conclude Q to be 0. So the answer is A option. Mathematical reasoning question number 5. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. The multiplicative identity for integers is 1. Yes, this is true. If you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. So 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. B. Subtraction does not obey commutative laws in integers. Yes, this is true. Because 10 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 10. C. Multiplication of two integers with unlike signs is always positive. False. Here is the rule for the multiplication. As we can see here, unlike signs give product with minus sign, not a positive sign. So this statement is false. So the incorrect statement is the C option. Mathematical reasoning question number 6. Which of the following number sentences best describes the problem shown on the number line? First, let us take this problem step by step. Here is the number line, and from 0 you are going to minus 3, which is 0 minus 3. Then from minus 3 you are moving to 2 steps left to reach minus 5. So minus 3 minus 2. Then from minus 5 you are moving right side to reach 3, which is actually plus 8. Now the correct option which describes the problem is the D option. Mathematical reasoning question number 7. Compare and fill the box. Successor of this given equation compare to predecessor of this equation. Now first let us take successor of this equation to the right hand side and predecessor of this equation to the left hand side. First, let us solve the right hand side. According to BODMAS, we must solve the brackets first. So, solving the bracket, it will be minus 8 into 2, which is equal to minus 16. Now, since they have asked successor, it will be minus 15. Now, the left hand side. Similarly, solving the brackets first. Then, after solving the brackets, we'll get minus 12 into minus 6, which is equal to 72. Now, the predecessor of 72 is 71. Minus 15 is less than 71. So, the correct option is the B option. Mathematical reasoning question number 8. In a magic square, if each row, column and diagonal have the same sum, then the values of A and B respectively are. The sum of a row slash column slash diagonal here is minus 9. In order to find A, the total sum plus A should be minus 9. Here, A plus minus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to 9. A could be minus 4 so that the sum would be minus 9. Similarly, B can be minus 7. Mathematical reasoning question number 9. Compare and fill the box. First, let us take right hand side and we'll solve each of the sides first. Then after solving, we'll get 112 plus minus 6, which is equal to 106. Next, the left hand side. Simplifying, we'll get 11 into minus 3 minus of 87. Simplifying, we'll get the answer as 54. Now 106 is greater than 54. So the correct option is the B option. Quick tip. After brackets, it's divide first, then multiply. Do not mix up the order. Mathematical reasoning question number 10. Which of the following statement is correct? A. All natural numbers are whole numbers and all whole numbers are integers. Yes, this is true. B. All whole numbers are integers and all integers are natural numbers. Wrong. This is false. Not all integers are natural numbers. C. All integers are whole numbers and all natural numbers are integers. This is also false. Not all integers are whole numbers. D. All integers are whole numbers and all integers are natural numbers. No, this is false. Mathematical reasoning question number 11. The value of x in minus 19 into 4 plus minus 2, which is equal to minus 19 into 4 plus minus 19 into x is. First, let us solve the inner brackets. Then we will solve the multiplication. Doing that, we'll get minus 19 into 2 minus 76 plus minus 19 into x. From this, we can get the value of x, that is minus 2. Mathematical reasoning question number 12. What will be the sign of the result if we together add 199 negative integers? Here's a rule to help you do these kinds of problems. When you keep adding negative numbers, the total keeps going further into the negative zone. So the answer is A, negative. Mathematical reasoning question number 13. A collection of numbers which contain all positive numbers, all negative numbers and 0 is known as. A collection of numbers that contain all positive numbers, all negative numbers and 0 is called a set of integers. Mathematical reasoning question number 14. Which pair of numbers do not have a product equal to 36? As we can see here, the only product which is not equal to 36 is the option C. Mathematical reasoning question number 15. Which of the following options show the integers arranged in descending order? Since it is in descending order, we have to start from the largest number. Here's a quick tip. While arranging numbers in ascending or descending order, remember that negative numbers are smaller than positive ones, even if the number looks big. Since negative numbers are smaller than the positive ones, we can exclude option A and B. Here in the D option, we can see that minus 43 is smaller than minus 12. So this option is also false option. So the correct option, which has all the numbers arranged in descending order, is the C option. Mathematical reasoning question number 16. Which of the following is true for the given expression 4 into minus 5? 4 into minus 5 is equal to minus 20. So we are moving 4 jumps of 5 units to the left of 0. Mathematical reasoning question number 17. The additive identity of minus 28 plus 12 plus 42 minus 63 is. The additive identity is the number that when we add to any number gives the same number back. That number is 0. Example, 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. So the additive identity is 0. No matter what the number is, adding 0 to it doesn't change its value. Mathematical reasoning question number 18. If A and B are integers and A is not equal to B, then which of the following is incorrect? Here in the B option, A minus B is equal to B minus A. This is false because subtraction does not follow the rule of commutative property. And the rest all options are correct. So the B option is the false option. Everyday mathematics question number 19. In a test, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks for every incorrect answer. Asha answered all the questions and scored 26 marks though she got 9 correct answers. Varun also answered all the questions and scored 2 marks though he got 5 correct answers. How many questions did each answer incorrectly? Total score of Asha is equal to 4 into the number of correct answers plus minus 2 into number of wrong answers, which is equal to 26. Now we know that she scored 9 correct answers. So 4 into 9 plus minus 2 into number of wrong answers. Since they didn't tell us how many number of wrong answers she got, we don't know that yet. So we will find out how many wrong answers she got, which is equal to 5. Now total score of Varun is equal to 4 into number of correct answers plus of minus 2 into number of wrong answers, which is equal to 2. Similarly, Varun got 9 wrong answers. Everyday mathematics question number 20. Ankush got 500 rupees on his birthday. On the next day, he got 350 rupees as pocket money from his father and spent 275 rupees on repairing his cycle. On the next day, his sister gave him 170 rupees as a reward. Now, how much money would he have? He would have 745 rupees. Everyday mathematics question number 21. In my accounts book, I write positive numbers for profit and negative numbers for losses that I make in my business. Following are the entries in the book for the last 7 days. How much profit did I make in the last week? First, let us add all the positive numbers together and the losses together. Then we will subtract the total profit from loss. So we will get the net profit, that is 22. Everyday mathematics question number 22. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 8 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 12 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 468 meters? So the total distance that the elevator descends is equal to 12 plus 468, which is equal to 480 meters. Because we have to calculate from which level the elevator moves down after the ground level also. So for 1 minute it covers 8 meters. Therefore, to cover 480 meters, the elevator will take 60 minutes. Achiever section question number 23. Read the given statements carefully and select T for true and F for false. For any integer, a, minus a and 1 by a are the additive identity and multiplicative identity for integers respectively. This is false. For any integer a, the additive identity is the number that you can add to a and still get a back. The additive identity is 0, not minus a. For any integer a, the multiplicative identity is the number that you can multiply with a and still get a back. The multiplicative identity is 1, not 1 by a. Second one. Solving this equation, we will get minus 18 as the answer. But they have said that this lies to the left of minus 10 on the number line. Minus 18 is less than minus 10. So the result of the equation lies to the left of minus 10. So it is true. 3. All the integers are whole numbers. All the whole numbers are integers. This is false because integers also include negative numbers, but whole numbers do not include negative integers. Therefore, all integers are not whole numbers, but all whole numbers are integers. Achiever section question number 24. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to. First one, let us take the right hand side. Simplifying it, we will get minus 792 plus 14, which is equal to minus 778. Next, the LHS, which is equal to minus 4032. Minus 778 is greater than minus 4032. Second one, simplifying, we'll get 1. And similarly, LHS will get 19. 1 is less than 19. Similarly, for 3, minus 1 is greater than minus 4. So the correct option is the C option. If you have noticed, in all of these equations, we have solved it using the BODMAS rule. In the first one, you can see that we've solved 22 into minus 36 and minus 42 divided by minus 3 first, because division first and then multiplication, then only addition. Similarly, in all of these questions, we have used the BODMAS rule. If you do not use the BODMAS rule, your answer has a higher chance of going wrong. Achiever section question number 25. State T for true and F for false. First one, negative integers are on the left side of 0. Yes, this is true. For any 3 integers a, b and c, a plus b into c is equal to a plus c into b plus c. This is false. It should be a plus b into c, which is equal to a into c, not plus c, plus b into c, not b plus c. Third one, the identity of integers under subtraction is 1. False. Subtraction doesn't have any identity. Fourth one, the product of two negative integers is negative. This is also false. Product of two negative integers, that is minus into minus, is equal to plus, not minus. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.